My name is Marc Perez. I'm one of the 3 managers at CAPE. CAPE is a Spanish company with more than 50 years of experience in the design and manufacturing of solutions for the pallet business. PRS is the perfect partner for us for the servicing and for the human treatment with our customers. Anything involving CAPE means a human touch to customers, and Jeff Williams and all his team is perfectly what we were looking for. So we're really proud of this partnership. The tandem nailing line is able to do both stringer and block pallet and very low labor need. With the automation we have developed for them, it allows to run the machine with barely 3 operators.
PRS is an equipment manufacturer for the wooden pallet industry. Predominantly, PRS manufactures machinery for the repair, recycle portion of the wooden pallet industry. 6 years ago, we looked abroad for a partner in the pallet assembly equipment business, and we found CAPE after a lot of research in Europe. 5 years ago, we started working with one of our good customers, COTTONDALE Wood Products. The tandem machine and the mock machine that we've delivered and installed at their new plant in Houston is highly robotic. It's highly automated. With the dependence on labor being something of the past, COTTONDALE was looking toward the future. CAPE is always looking toward the future, pushing the envelope for more and more higher levels of automation.
My name's Fenton Howell. I'm with COTTONDALE Wood Products. We're a pallet manufacturer in the Southeast, specializing in block pallet production. The need for automation and the limited labor availability in the U.S. market had already previously occurred in the European market. Through our studies and visits to Europe and multiple manufacturers, we decided to partner with CAPE and Marc Perez because of the relationship we developed with them. This automation will allow us to expand our business in a tight labor market within the U.S. After installing the equipment, we have identified a number of intangible benefits that we were not aware of on the front side. Employee retention due to the decreased workload has been beneficial. Safety and a number of other benefits that we're just now becoming aware of. We are confident that this equipment allows us for positive growth in the future.